A cold wave which is sweeping across North India with temperatures plummeting following snowfall that has been reported in the mountains in Delhi NCR, which is facing the dual challenge of rising pollution and falling temperatures, while cold wave and fog conditions continue to affect other states like Punjab and Haryana as well. Snowfall alerts have been issued for Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, and cold wave continues to impact other states like UP, Bihar and Rajasthan. Delhi, in the meantime, has recorded minimum temperatures of 7 degrees Celsius accompanied by thin layer of fog, or rather smog, over parts of the city.
थोड़ा लगता है कि सर्दी का स्तर थोड़ा कम हो रहा है क्योंकि पोल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है, एक वो है उसका इशू लग रहा है मेरे को।
जैसे बारिश हुई है पोल्यूशन कम हो गया।
हाँ हाँ, मतलब पोल्यूशन थोड़ा कम हुआ है बारिश से, बट ये भी एक टेम्पररी सॉल्यूशन ही है। मतलब सॉल्यूशन नहीं कहूँगा, एक ये कह सकता हूँ कि उसकी वजह से थोड़ी टेम्पररी राहत मिली है, बट इसका एक परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन तो सरकार को खोजने की जरूरत है ही।
ठंड पड़ रही है काफ़ी ज़्यादा, और ठंड के साथ साथ पॉल्यूशन भी बढ़ रहा है, और पॉल्यूशन के साथ साथ सांस की प्रॉब्लम लोगों को हो सकती है, दिक्कतें हो सकती है। सरकार को कदम उठाने चाहिए इसके लिए।
Now, according to our latest update that is coming across, as far as the cold wave is concerned, 18 trains from Delhi to various parts of the countries is running late due to dense fog conditions. As far as the visibility levels are concerned, they have dropped because of the smog and the fog mix that we are looking at. As far as Delhiites waking up today to get this information that trains have been affected because of the weather conditions. We have Isha with us right now. Well, Isha, multiple trains that the information coming across are running late because of the dense fog conditions.
Right, Amita. As you were also stating, 18 trains are running late because of the dense fog that has completely engulfed the national capital and areas adjoining it, which does include UP, Rajasthan, Haryana as well. But not just trains, there is also a spike in flights being delayed. The average disruption index has gone up when it comes to departures and arrivals. In fact, seen officially from the Flight Radar app, it does suggest that 452 flights had been cancelled yesterday, and that is just yesterday's number. And as we speak currently, more than 10 flights have been delayed. Their departures have been stalled because of the extremely poor weather conditions across the national capital and adjoining areas. In fact, the AQI remains to be in the very poor category. Hotspots like RK Puram, Anand Vihar still continue to reel under the after effects of hazardous air quality. But despite the fact there is nothing that is stopping in the national capital, people continue to step out. Schools are still open. Grab 4 is not being implemented. So normalcy is prevailing over the national capital, but definitely the quality of life being very poor.
All right. Thank you very much for the moment, Isha, for joining in. As far as the temperatures that continue to dip, there is also a prediction most likely that rain will be also reported in parts of Delhi NCR by tomorrow itself. Keep yourself safe, keep yourself warm. With that, we head into a short break.